In this video, we're going to show you how to add a payment method in Canva, so please watch the video till the end to follow all the steps. The first step is to open Canva in your browser and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on your dashboard, click on your profile icon in the top right-hand corner of your screen. An option will appear. Click on Settings. In the Settings menu, hover your mouse over the left side of your screen under Personal, and select Billing and Plans. This will bring up the option for Payment Method for your team. You can add a new payment method by clicking on the Add a Payment Method button or change an existing one by clicking on the Change button. You'll see options to add a Gcash account, a credit or debit card, or a PayPal account. For a credit or debit card, enter your card number, expiry date, security code, and region. For PayPal, choose your country or region. For Gcash, fill in the required information. Once you have entered all the necessary details, click the Save button at the bottom of the screen. That's it. That's how you add a payment method in Canva. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our next videos.